We got a full Walsh build, Honda TRX450 in the house, getting a little bit of tune-ups, chains, sprockets, oils, all that kind of fun stuff. Get to do a little bit of a test ride. This thing is absolute monster. We're gonna do a couple of laps on the track, kind of tweak my shoulder when I went out, but hey, it was a lot of fun. Membership's available. Hit that like button, comments, let me know what you think.